of the depths in the LCS mid lane so far this split, we can at least listen in on pros in the newest edition of Mic Check.
Facing my old team, man.
It's my old team as well.
I mean, you've been in every team in LCS, so...
That's actually true.
Mic check, please.
Are we playing with jackets off or on?
Off.
Everyone stand up at the same time and put your jacket off.
Okay.
I will start, okay? And then you can follow.
Wait, why do you take off your earphones?
You don't need to take your earphone, you know.
I can't hear you. You don't need to stand up either, actually.
Really nice synergy, guys.
Relax. Focus on your breathing, alright? I want you guys to show the world what you guys are capable of. Because when I believe in you, then you have to believe in yourself. And that is the only thing that matters in the end.
We can turn, we can turn.
Poppy. Nice.
Kogi. He's dead.
Kogi.
Nice.
Yeah, we can keep going. Lucian.
Keep going.
Lucian. Nice.
Go Baron. Go fight.
Yeah, if I win this game, can I get a cat?
No.
Okay. If I win this game, can I pet your cat, Eugene?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just backing up.
Yeah, just defend.
Let's try and hold our base. Actually, they're gonna go Baron.
Nice.
Running. They're chunked.
Nice.
I got him. Nice. We're good. I'm on the way.
We're running over.
Oh, shit.
We got one.
I'm saving you, Jensen! Careful. Nice.
We can do better.
Let's go.
What's the most important thing about today?
Object.
Yeah.
Don't look at the gear.
Oh, he's here.
No grid.
Nice. Forky flash. Dope. Oh, nice. Good job.
Q cooldown.
Hey, we need reset.
Okay, not bad.
Make sure they don't do Baron.
I have a TP.
They want Baron.
Okay, I go. I'm coming.
Make that slowly. Listen, no kick, 80, no flash.
I think that's low.
Can you guys finish before Zed?
We can. I can W him too. Stop taking. I can W Elise. Who's on Elise?
I'll be there.
Get better than just big, okay?
Zed's right here. Zed's W. Zed's W.
Q. Nice.
You guys got a zone.
We're all dead.
I can kick him in a second.
Just keep focus. Keep focus.
Just zone.
Nice.
Hey, can you guys end?
No, just 40 seconds. Actually, I think we can. We can finish. Yeah, we can.
What?
Yeah.
Watch Chandra.
Watch out.
Focus turret.
Watch out. Wait, minion. Wait, minion.
We got 20 seconds on Jin. Hit base.
Hit turret.
Block Cocoon.
Nexus.
Nice. Dude, just like a scream.